Hello everybody. I show you ham I make for Sunday dinner.
Heat your wok, add 1 egg. Whisk it all about. Keep going, go, 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 go. Add cooked ham. I made that last night in Miss Chang's lane. She never made it at all. She doesn't know how to cook. Keep mixing. Add your boiled rice. Started making this video and realized I had no eggs. Had to go to the shop. Couldn't see eggs anywhere in the shop. Asked, do you sell eggs? Guy pointed towards the bottom shelf. Got back home, started recording this video, pouring the egg in to the wok. Had to pause the video, someone's at the door. So I go to answer the door, and there's a woman standing at the door. And she says, hello, I work for such and such electric supplier. My name's Samantha. Would you like to change electric suppliers and save some money? So says there, no thanks, I'm sort of really busy at the minute here. And she turned round, to my surprise, and says, do you know what it is? I don't even work for the electric company. I just seen you over buying eggs, and when you bent over, I looked at your bum and I thought, oh my God. So I just decided to follow you home, and I didn't know what to say when I knocked on your door, so I just pretended I was from the electric company. And my name's not even Samantha. My name's Jimmy. Is that ham fried rice I smell in there? Have you got any chicken? Balls. That's some salty taste after you've added your eggs, ham, soy sauce. Keep mixing it all about. Don't forget to add on some MSG. Click the description in this video to find the list of ingredients. Please leave a comment, subscribe. Keep mixing, keep stirring.